This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for August 31st. Corn prices came under some pressure on Monday as traders saw the rain in the western Corn Belt as helping to stabilize some of the crop in the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Iowa. The condition of the domestic corn crop is left unchanged from last week at 60% good to excellent. 91% is in the dough stage, with 59% having dented and 9% of the crop now mature. Soybean prices collapsed under the prospect of improved yield prospects as a result of rains in the western Corn Belt. On the demand front, we kicked off the week with the announcement of yet another export sale. This time it was the sale of 256,000 metric tons of beans to China. Now, the condition of the soybean crop is currently unchanged from last week at 56% good to excellent. 93% of the crop is now setting pods, with 9% of the crop dropping leaves. In international vegetable oil news, canola production in Canada plunged by 24.3% in 2021 compared to 2020 numbers. Stats Canada placed this year's crop at 14.7 million metric tons, down from 19.5 million just a year ago. Wheat values followed corn lower in yesterday's trade. Here in the U.S., the spring wheat crop is 88% harvested, so we'll soon have final solid numbers on what actual production is for the year. We're also getting a clearer picture of the impact of the drought on the Canadian prairie. Looking at our neighbors to the north, the Stats Canada report shows that production this year is at 22.9 million metric tons, and that's down 34.8% from year-ago numbers. Cotton continues to trade in a very tight sideways trading range. At the finish, we had December futures 61 points lower, closing at 94.23. Now, that cotton crop is now rated at 70% good to excellent, and that's down just a point from last week. 86% of the crop is setting bolls, with the bolls opening on 21% of the crop. Livestock futures were mixed. At the close, we had October live cattle down 80 cents, while October feeder cattle were 52.5 cents higher at the close. October lean hog futures also lost a bit of ground, finishing 57.5 cents lower for the day. And Class 3 milk futures continue to struggle. At the close, we had September futures 10 points lower, settling at 16.66. And meat cutout values were all lower for the session. We had choice box beef ending the day $2.56 lower, closing at $342.78. Select boxes were down $2.97 as they settled at $312.55. And pork carcass cutout values were sharply lower. They closed down $6.87, settling at $109.72 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.